myself in a place, every moment standing by your side. Feel like peace flowing through the tide. Your smile warm like island breeze, carry my heart so naturally. From the mountains to the ocean wide, love like this can't ever hide. Every step we take together feel like destiny and time. When your hand reach out to hold me, every star begin to shine. You're sweet like the morning sun, bright like the day just begun. Every beat of my heart say true, all my love belong to you. You're sweet like the morning light, shine through the darkest night. With you near I feel so free. Your love is the world to me. When the moon rises over the sea and the night wind whisper gently, every dream feel closer now. Standing here with you somehow, hear the rhythm in your life, feel the warmth when our shadows pass. Every heartbeat moving time like a sweet reggae bassline. Through the storm and through the weather, we stand strong side by side. With your love surrounding me, there is nothing left to hide. You're sweet like the morning sun, bright like the day just begun. Every beat of my heart say true, all my love belong to you. You're sweet like the morning light, shine through the darkest night. With you near I feel so free. Your love is the world to me. Hold me close under the starlight, let the music slowly play. In your arms I find my home now, never drifting far away. You sweet like the morning sun, bright like the day just begun. Every beat of my heart say true, all my love belong to you. Sweet like